Hello, fellow foodies, and welcome back to another taste test episode of Griddle Porn. Today, we're at, can you see, White Castle, anyway. Take my word for it. Hold on. Check that out. I love White Castle. So, for many of you, White Castle might not be a big deal. To me, I haven't had White Castle in several years, and I love White Castle. And one of my best friends, Greg, I know you're really jealous right now. And I was so excited when I went inside, I just started ordering stuff randomly off the menu. I didn't even get a regular slider. I don't know what I was thinking. But we got... Look, they have Sloppy Joe sliders. That's a Sloppy Joe. It tastes exactly like a Sloppy Joe. Now this is one of my favorites, a chicken ring slider. They have 2 chicken rings on one of their buns. Beats the heck out of McChicken. And this was new to me, so I had to order it. It's a 1921 slider. I should have just gotten the regular slider, but it was new. I had to see what it was. It's basically a McBurger on a slider. Except much better. Well, it's way better than I expected. And finally, chicken and waffles. Chicken, bacon, and waffles. One of the nice things about White Castle is no matter what time of the day it is, you got the whole menu. This is the most expensive thing I got, and it's my least favorite. Excuse me. It's okay, just I would have been just as happy with anything else. The nice thing about selfie modes, I can get all the crumbs out of the facial hair. Uh-oh. Sirens. I don't think they're after me this time. Anyway, that's it. Always a thumbs up. Greg, come visit, and I'll take you to White Castle. And they stopped somewhere right around here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me, and thanks for feeding my fragile ego once again. We'll see you next time. Bye!